Welcome to Taipei!
Gil. Good morning, guys. So, ayan, today ay last day na natin here in Taipei. Mamaya pa yung check-out 11 AM. It's currently 8. Lalabas muna tayo to buy something dito sa Ximending. Actually, may free breakfast pero may gusto ako i-try. Yung scallion pancake. So, try natin yan. Guys, it's cold. Maambon-ambon. But it's okay. So, guys, maaga kayo dito. Bukas na si Asong Miswa. And, pati lang yung 9. So, we'll open this time. What I'm looking for is yung scallion pancakes, guys. Ito na si Kuya. Yes!
cheese， 那就是一个 cheese 加蛋，一个cheese 加蛋嘛。
哎，对，
应该这样讲。培根 cheese。要不要啦？不要了。
I got the pancake. Let's try this one, guys. Just gonna unzip my jacket. Let's see. Wow. Guys, ang sarap. Ang sarap. It's good. Ay, dapat bumili ako madami. Picture ako. It's good. Guys, masarap siya. I'm gonna walk pa papunta sa Family Mart to buy something. Pasalubong. Ang sarap dito is the Lay's Creamy Lobster. Naubos sa Family Mart last night. So I'll try if they restock. Uwi na kasi kami later, so I have to buy and then pack and then check out na 11 before kami mag-ikot pa. Oh god. I'll just finish this. Ano. So guys, umibala ako ng venue kasi bibili ako ng Asong Miswa. I'll buy one small. I got coffee from 7-Eleven. Grabe guys, ang lamig dito. Super. Hindi ko in-expect kasi sa atin sa mga 10 to 14. So, parang okay lang, carry lang. Hindi siya yung puffer jacket level. Diyos ko, pagdating dito, umuulan guys. Tapos mahampas yung hangin. So, sa Taiwan pala, ano din siya, no? Parang Japan. Parang Korea pala. Japan is not so much kasi in Japan, di ba? Subtropical. So, yung winter niya, hindi ganun kalamig. Korea is continental. Ano kaya yung Taiwan? Kasi Taiwan, lamig eh. Anyways, guys, I'm done. Bili tayo ng Asong Miswa. Go! guys, nabili ko lang to sa Antipolo. Sa Shopee. Yung shop is maker ng mga tote bag from Antipolo. Tama ba? So, maganda yung quality guys. So, I highly recommend this bag. Malaki. So, pag nandito ako nagta-travel, lahat ng mga jacket, everything andito. Andito rin yung bag ko. So, guys, ito yung bag ko na dinadala yung sling. Pinasok ko lang sa loob. Para isa lang yung bit-bit ko na bag. So, pag nag-iikot ako, ito na yung bit-bit ko. Ito parang tote bag. Ito naman guys, ang laman niya ay t-shirt. Kasi pagpapalit ako sa airport. Pagdating kasi sa atin, di na, pwede itong mga sweater, masyado mainit. So, magpapalit ako ng t-shirt. Basically, kalat ko na lang yan. Yan, nag-charge kasi ako. So, tapusin ko lang yan. Tapos ito, mga wallet na lang. Yung cellphone. That's it. Woohoo! Naka-impake na ako, guys. Ngayon naman, guys, tignan natin kung gaano kabigat. So, kailangan 0-0, diba? So, PAL kasi is 30 kilos. 18 kilos. Pero, ang bigat! 18 kilos. So, guys, pasok tayo. 30 kilos yung allowance dun. Pero, hindi ko na kaya pa na anything heavier than this. Okay na ako dyan. That's it. So, ito guys naman, the usual lang naman to sa mga Shopee lang na nabibili. So, madali. Binibitbit ko to every time lalabas ako. Kasi, yun, para nasusukat ko kung within baggage allowance limit ako. So, yun. Tapusin ko naman yung isa ko, yung cabin size luggage ko. Tapos, alis na rin tayo in a while. Hintayin lang natin yung mga friends natin. Tapos, gagala na tayo. See you guys later! So guys, andito tayo sa Chiang Kai-shek. Alam mo, sobrang lamig. Tapos mamasa-masa yung floor. So parang madulas yung sneakers ko. Ang sabi kasi, parang nasa 14 degrees lang. Alam mo, it doesn't feel like, 14. Parang mga 10. Mga 10 degrees, ganun. Kasi ang ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Madulas. Medyo wet yung pebbles. Video ko lang, tapos post tayo at count of 3. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, game.
Saan galing to, Jen?
Alin? Hindi ko alam. So, yun guys. Lakad na tayo sa mismong Memorial Hall. Hindi ko kasi alam if meron sila ditong changing of the guards pag Sunday. Pero usually meron silang changing of the guards ceremony dyan. So, tignan natin guys. Kung alam ko nakikita nyo. So, doon kami galing doon sa entrance sa likod. And then, in front, yung mismong Memorial Hall. Alam ko, meron ditong parang station ng train na naka-connect mismo dito. Hindi ko lang alam kung nandito siya sa side na to, sa left or doon sa right. But definitely, meron dito. Guys, ang lamig! Super lamig! Parang nanonood talaga yung lamig. Super. Tapos ano kasi, pag ganito palang month ka pupunta ng Taipei, ano siya, winter siya. Tapos medyo maulan. Like halos all the days na nandito kami, 3 days, umuulan. Hindi mo siya malakas But, dahil nga umuulan, ang lamig-lamig. So, ganong feel siya. So guys, ito ang ganda ng view sa Chiang Kai-shek. Picture tayo dito. Okay. 2, 3, and then welcome to Taipei.
Video na, naka-video na po.
Ilang steps? 5 steps. Okay. Ilang steps? Oh, 1. Go. 1. 2, 3, go. Welcome to Taipei! Welcome to Taipei!
Perfume.
Ay, hindi bumili si
Si Gigi. Friendship perfume. Ayun na yung blood. Oh my God. Guys, na-miss ko this place. Dito tayo kumain last year. Nakakamiss tong Zhongshan. I really love Zhongshan, guys. Kahit I think yung mga friends ko kanina, single mama, sabi niya, mas gusto niya dito yung vibe. Oh, true naman. Maganda yung vibe dito sa Zhongshan. So, yun guys, I'm back here in Ximending and giwaiwalay muna kami ng friends ko. May mga bibilin sila last minute pasalubong. Ako din, ganon, because I'm planning to buy some pineapple cakes from a Chinese bakery called Ruyi. Dito rin lang yung Ximending. Dalhin ko kayo guys. Let's go! Welcome to Ximending. Ximending. So, lalagpasan na lang to guys. Let's go! Ito yung net. Lalagpasan din yan guys. Wait, ayusin ko lang yung bag ko. Kasi malamig eh. Ayusin ko lang. Wait lang. Yan. Ito yung mga hotel options na doon kami sa Westgate, which is closer to Ximending. But another option din tong Solaria. These are like the better hotels in Ximending. Lakad lang kayo guys until itong parang bridge na to. Diba? Yan. And then, turn left here. Okay? This is it guys. So, ito na siya. But not a lot. I only want to try pineapple cake.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you. But I want to try this one. This one. What do you recommend?
Sunny cake.
Sunny cake. TPQ. Wow.
Can you eat pork lard?
Okay, pork lard. And then
Honor butter, only number 1.
has pork lard. Okay.
For number 4, take one is sunny cake tea.
Tea.
Popular.
Okay.
And then is 110.
Okay, this one I want to try.
Okay, you can try.
Lemon cake is this is the one.
Number 28.
28 is the egg yolk cake.
Yolk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
If you want
I'll
to
try.
try more, can take out.
Okay. So guys, I'm trying their pineapple pastry. So I've tried the pineapple pastry. It was really good, guys. They also gave me this original sunny cake. It's also good and fakey. But ano siya, para siyang hopya. It tastes like hopya. Tapos ng kopya. Pancake. Kasi binigyan din ako ng coffee. I like it. I don't like the Guanyin. I don't like it. The last one with the egg yolk is number 28.
Let's try this one.
It's so good. It's really good. Sorry, what is this again?
包装介绍一下，来
Classic. This is the
Canberra.
classic.
The box is like this, and inside is 38 to 40 piece.
Ah, that's a
Yeah,
lot. I'll
yeah.
try this one first, but I like this one.
Oh,
I also like this one.
Oh,
But let me try this too.
Okay.
How many pieces in the box?
10
for this
pieces.
one? 10 pieces.
10
How much
pieces.
is this one?
450.
450, 10 pieces.
Yes.
And then, sorry. What about number 28?
6 pieces in the box.
Sorry, how many? Six pieces. And
Yes,
then,
and 400. Oh no!
see guys, that's really good.
Now a special price to 400.
This one.
Yes. Okay, it's number 28. Okay. Now it's special price. It's
405.
Yeah.
Okay. From 450, it's 405.
that's number 10 and number 28. The same number.
Okay. Hold on. Let me just try them.
Okay.
Okay. So yun guys, I'm getting the pineapple pastry and also the number 28, the one with the egg yolk. I'm now trying this one. It's a cranberry nougat. Tignan natin kung masarap. They also have the original, but I'll try this one here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Guys, it's so good. We're going home. The junk mamas are going home. Zumba mama. Ano mga napamili mo sa Taiwan sa palengke? Kakanin pineapple flavor. Yan. Mga biskuit. Yan.
Lost in a room where my shadow turns.
Ganda ng ilaw dito. Maganda ilaw. Nax! Ayan na. Sige, tara.
All I wanted was a little connection, but they only care for their own reflection. I tried to blend in, but I'll never be like them. Out here I'm someone.
Gonna fly in a few minutes. I'll see you guys in Manila.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board PR 895 bound for Manila.
Honestly, don't believe a thing they say. So tired.
So guys, let's close this vlog with a quick haul, and I'm going to share with you everything that I got during our trip to Taipei. Starting off with the ones that I got from Don Don Donki. Eto guys, yung parang patch na nilalagay kapag masakit yung mga legs or if may joint pains kayo, ganyan. So ito, nabili ko na to sa Tokyo, but dahil masarap siya and nagustuhan ko siya. Malamig kasi ito when you use it and talagang nakakatulong siya to relieve pain, especially like sa knee pain ko at saka sa leg pain after walking the whole day. So I got another box, but this one is smaller. 18 pieces lang yung laman niya. And this one is from Donki. The next one is an eyeliner. I also got this from Donki. Hindi ko pa to na to try, but I'm interested to find out kung maganda ba siya na eyeliner. Gusto ko kasi yung tip very fine and feeling ko mas madali ko siyang magagamit. And then this one is a facial cleanser. Nakikita ko to sa mga nagti-TikTok. Hindi ko alam kung maganda siya, but so far naman lahat ng na-try ko na Japanese skincare products are okay. So feeling ko this one would also be okay. The next one is this face mask na vitamin C. I've used this product in the form of a cleanser and a serum, and nagustuhan ko naman siya, so feeling ko mag-work din ang face mask. Next item are these 2 instant ramen ng Ichiran. I already got boxes of this sa Japan, sa Tokyo trip namin. And during our trip to Hong Kong, nitong nakaraang December, bumili rin tayo ng Ichiran Ramen. And dahil favorite yan ng anak ko, I got 2 more boxes from Taiwan. I also got this white truffle and cheese potato chips from Don Don Donki. Hindi ko pa yan na-try, but yeah, feeling ko masarap kasi white truffle. So, yan. I also got this Lay's, para siyang crab flavored potato chips. Actually, ang gusto ko talagang bilhin is the creamy lobster potato chips ng Lay's in Taipei, which is a highly recommended potato chips na mabibili nyo sa mga Family Mart or 7-Eleven, but wala kasi nung time na bumibili ako. Actually, nakabili naman ako nung nandun ako, but nung pauwi na ako for pasalubong, wala na sa 7-Eleven or Family Mart. Kaya ito na lang crab yung binili ko. So, I'm gonna try kung okay ba siya. I'll let you know. And then, I got a coin purse. Papasalubong ko to for my mother. Wala lang. For her coins or kung saan, ano may lalagay dyan, mga receipts or whatever. Ito naman yung mga cashew nuts. Mahilig din yung mother ko sa cashew nuts. Mahilig din yung husband ko. So, kung ano yung natitira sa 7-Eleven, binili ko lahat. So, yan yung last 4 na cashew nuts, honey roasted cashews na nasa 7-Eleven. Next 3, etong parang Julie's, ano to biscuit, tapos parang pineapple cake and vegetable cookies. Hindi ko binili yan, but I'm adding it here kasi part na rin naman siya ng haul. Also from Donkey, nothing new. Binibili na natin ito every time magdo-Donkey tayo. I got Meiji black chocolates. This is for my husband, and strawberry Kit Kat for my son. Now, moving on, nung nagpunta kami ng Taichung, we went to Zongsha Flower Market, and meron dong souvenir shop na nagbebenta nito hot brown sugar tea. So, kailangan mo na lagyan siya ng hot water. It comes in a pack of 10 sachets. So, just add mga 300 ml of hot water and ready to go na yan. It's a hot milk tea drink. Back in Ximending, there is a bakery called Rui. Dalawa yung shops niya, and in one of those shops that I went to, meron sila doon na cranberry nougat candies, and I really liked it. May pa-sampler sila dyan. Makikita nyo naman sa vlog that we sampled some pastries there. And nagustuhan ko yung cranberry over the original one. So yan, I got a box of classic nougat cranberry flavor. Also, nagpunta tayo during this trip to one of the world's best cafes called Simple Cafe. I got some coffee beans and nagtry tayo dyan ng brown sugar latte. Nagustuhan natin ang kape dyan sa Simple Cafe, so I thought of bringing home coffee beans for my husband. Usually, ginagawa ko naman talaga yan. Bumibili ako ng coffee beans kung saan ako pumupunta kasi mahilig kami sa kape sa bahay. So, let's try kung maganda yung register nitong Simple Cafe na coffee beans sa aming coffee maker at home. Now, hindi kompleto ang trip to Taiwan kung walang pineapple products. I actually have 3 here. So, the first one is this. Nabuksan ko na to guys kasi pinatikim ko to sa aking mga friends kasi feeling ko magugustuhan nila at magugustuhan din ng mga kids nila, and fortunately, nagustuhan nila. This bag is actually very cheap. It's only 250 New Taiwan dollars and napakaraming laman. Pakita ko guys sa inyo ha. Sobrang daming laman yan. So what this is a biscuit, no? Hala, nadurog. Sorry. It's a biscuit na may palaman na pineapple jam. And what I like about it is the biscuit is crispy. Yung pineapple jam is not too sweet. Kaya magandang pasalubong ito. So this one is the pineapple biscuit. I also got this premium pineapple cake from Rui. Guys, medyo may kamahalan ito. This is 450 Taiwan dollars for a pack of, I think, 8 to 10. Hindi ko na maalala kung 8 or 10 ba to. But na-try ko guys, and napakasarap. Pinakamasarap siya sa akin out of everything that I've tried na pineapple cakes sa Taiwan. Kaya this is a must-buy for me. If you have to splurge on a pineapple cake, I think you should splurge on a Rui pineapple cake because it's really good. So this is naman pineapple cake din ito that you can get from one of those side shops sa Ximending. And the name of the shop na binilhan ko nito is Cherry Grandfather. Sabi nila ay bestseller daw ito. So there are two kinds ng pineapple cake sa Cherry Grandfather. One is the sweet and one is the sour. Guys, mas masarap yung sour. Hindi siya sour na tipong sobrang asim ha. It's sweet and sour. Yun yung magandang pineapple cake guys. Yung naglalaban yung tamis and asim ng pineapple. Hindi yung purong tamis lang. So if you're going to get a box of pineapple cakes sa Cherry Grandfather, make sure that you get the sour one. Next, this one is very special. We got this in Taichung in a gelato or a cafe or a bakery. Actually, napakaganda niyan. Makikita nyo sa vlog. So we got this from Miyahara. It's almond biscuits. In French, they call it the almond tuile or almond tuile. Medyo mahal ito, guys. Pero dahil mahilig yung asawa ko sa anything almond, I got it for him. This one, 8 piraso lang ito. And it is 580 NTD. But it's really special if you're planning to give someone magandang pasalubong, like a special pasalubong from Taiwan. And you happen to go to Taichung, you might want to try pastries from Miyahara. And that's everything, guys. That's everything that I got from my recent trip to Taipei.